Hey YouTube, it's Sean, working on another generator here. Hey, this one is quite the basket case. One of those Tailgators. And I'll tell you what, this thing was matted. Like, oh, it had to be a 32nd to a 16th of just complete grease, oil, grime. Yeah, so I pressure washed it, okay? I know everybody's gonna say, well, what'd you do that for? Well, yeah. If it's no good, it's no good, but you have to start somewhere, and I think we better start with a clean engine, okay? So that's what I did, and the carburetor came out real nice. I'm gonna take that out, take it apart, clean it out. I missed a spot right there, but hey, not bad. At least now we have something to work with and work on. There's the gas tank. It was leaking, and that's what caused all the grime. So I'm gonna take the valve off, take it apart, clean it out. As you can see, all the rubber on there is quite sweet. So let's get the Tailgator. Yeah, I've been letting it sit out here. It's 100 degrees right now out here, and good time to pressure wash it and let it sit in the sun. Yeah. Anywho, cylinder was just packed right up to the fins. Looks pretty good now. If we have to rebuild it, it's fine. The parts for these are relatively cheap. At least now we have an actual something to work on that's, you know, relatively clean. Okay, so I'll bring you back. Let's get it back there out of the sun, and I'm gonna pull the head. I'm gonna look in the cylinder. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright folks, got it apart there. Piston looks excellent. It's just got the normal ground. Cylinder looks sweet. I don't see any problem with that. I'll measure it, but looks fine to me. Well, I do like the fact that the cast iron cylinder, yeah, instead of being aluminum. Everything looks good. I'm gonna put some rings on it, but I gotta order those, so they'll be in 3, 2, 1, 3 right now. Alright guys, we got the gas tank figured out. Made a new gasket out of a mud flap. Can't be much worse than the Chinese stuff. It was leaking, so hopefully it won't. If it does, we'll do something else. Got the new rings put in, cylinders put back on, heads put back on. Everything's clean and power washed. I ordered a new capacitor for it, but I want to try it with the old one. Carburetor's down there, got that clean. Got our wiring hooked back to our kill switch right here. Got new fuel line put on using Tygon. This grommet dropped down. I put that back, figured it out. Everything's clean. Yay. Gotta put our coil back on. Alright. Gonna put our gas tank on. Put our starter on. I'm gonna get a new spark plug. And we'll try it. Let me put it back together. We'll bring you back. Alright guys. It's time for truth or consequence, you know. Will it go or will it blow? All right, here we go. Got a gas. Yeah. Truth or consequence, right? Alright. Let's see what we got here. Got some two-stroke in there. And oh, that should be plenty. Okay. Choke and pull. Here we go. First time. First time nothing, eh? Oh. Well, idiot's got to turn the fuel on, right? Yeah, helps, right? Mr. Idiot, me, did turn the fuel on. See, Bozo hangs around, even on small engines and big engines. There, I'm Bozo. Here we go. No muffler. Well, she runs. All right. Just wanted to make sure it ran before I put that muffler on it. Yeah. Now we can go over here, tip it up. Well, turn the gas on. And put our muffler on there. Just want to make sure she's going to run first. All right, we'll bring you back, guys. She does run. Didn't even barely get it warm. We'll bring you back. At least we know she runs, right? All right, stay tuned. All right, folks, I think we got it now. Air cleaner back on it, so this doesn't happen, right? All right, but I think we got it fixed, guys. Not bad. Free is a very good price. Love you all. Take care. Bye-bye.